All right, so this video is going to be a take notes kind of video. I'm going to be talking about how I think about building a DeFi portfolio, how I've been building up to my own $1 million crypto DeFi portfolio, and the concept of yield on yield, which for many is kind of like this light bulbs go off of like, oh, I can earn some yield here, and then I could take the returns and I could put it over here and earn yield on them. And then I could take these and put it over here and earn yield on those. And we're really talking about like the acceleration and the velocity of money. How much momentum can we build? And I would not be here. I would not have the portfolio I have, and I wouldn't be seeing the trajectory I'm seeing if I wasn't applying what I'm talking about here. So I'm going to go zoom way out for a second here, and then we're going to come on back in. And again, this is really going to be worth your time. If anything lands, leave it in the comments. If you have questions, leave it in the comments. And if you'd like more videos like this that talk more on strategy and zooming out, zooming in, and just talking about overall making a plan that fits your investment style and where you're trying to get to, do let me know in the comments. Of course, if anything lands, like this video, subscribe to this channel, all that cool YouTuber stuff. Go do that. All right, way zoomed out. The point of making money is not to make money. That's where people go wrong, and that's where a lot of anxiety comes from. The point of making more money and seeing success as an investor isn't just to make more money. Where does the game end? You make 500 grand a year, you make $2 million a year, you make $10 million a year, or you have $1 million in your crypto DeFi portfolio or your bank account. You've got 5 million, you got 20 million. There is no end to that game, and it's a dangerous game to play, in my opinion. Nothing wrong with increasing your net worth, having more money, but it's the wrong game to play, and it's the game that we've been taught to play. To me, the only point of making more money is so we can buy our time back and we can do things that are in greater levels of alignment, things that inspire us, contribute back to the world, maybe build businesses that are meaningful to us, not have to show up tomorrow if we don't want to. Now it becomes a choice, and that's where life gets juicy. And so I'm not playing the how do I just make more money game. I'm playing the how do I make more money game so I can buy back my time, buy back larger chunks of time, and then ultimately help people around me buy back their time. Family, people around me. Hey, you'll never have to work. Hey, mom, dad, you'll never have to work again. You'll never have to worry about money again. That's the only point of making more money. And I think crypto and DeFi present a really unique opportunity. But beyond that, zoomed out, investing in general is the best way to get there. Now, income creation is really important. So we have to focus on income creation so we can feed our investment portfolios so we can get that acceleration. And to me, it's like DeFi and crypto present that cool opportunity because the yields are so much higher. I mean, in the last month, just in my buy and hold portfolio, that's up $54,000. You can't really give me many opportunities that will allow you the opportunity to do that. Do I lose some weeks? Yeah, 100%. But last month was a pretty good month. So that's that. Yield farming positions and anything I have on DeBank in the personal portfolio side is up. So here's how I want to talk about it. We can look at Uniswap, all these different pools, all these different positions. We can look at Trader Joe's. We can look at Aerodrome, which I like. It looks like since I claimed last, I've earned $400, $500, $600, almost $700 worth of Aero tokens in emissions. We can look at Turbos. We can look at Uniswap. We can look at anything. The name of the game is to deploy assets, enter liquidity pools, provide liquidity to the markets, which is a service because we're getting paid the swap, trade, buy, sell fees. Bring in cash flow, take that cash flow. So hear me out here. Now let's just say we're earning yields on, I don't know, all these are bad examples. Let's just go over here. Let's say we're earning yields on SUI USDC at 143% or Turbos USDC at 173%. We're earning yields on that. Then what can we do with those yields? Well, we could stack them or we can earn yield on yield. So if I go over to, in SUI's case, I've earned $6,484 worth of SUI, 6,230 SUI, and then I can turn around and lend that out on a lending platform. Again, which ones aren't important right now? Just understand the strategy. and I'm earning 20% on that. Earning 170% over here, earning my SUI and USDC, converting that USDC back into SUI, taking that SUI, lending it out for another 20%. Now I'm stacking it, and when SUI pops off, and again, nothing is guaranteed, but based on what I see the narrative around SUI, and again, don't copy me ever, please. Just understand, just always zoom out. It's not about what button I'm exactly clicking, it's the strategy behind it. But I can hold it, earn yield on it, which 20% a year. We're still spoiled that we would think that's not much. That's huge. I'm just holding it. And I'm able to earn 20% on that while waiting for price appreciation. Same thing on XtraFi here. This is a great example, actually. I'm earning, $200, $300, sometimes $400 per day over here on Aerodrome. And then what can I do with that? Oh, I could just take that Arrow, which I started with almost none. Now I have $14,000. It looks like I'm sitting on another $700 in here. Guess what I'll do with that? I'll lend it out. I'll be at almost $15,000 worth of Arrow tokens. Arrow's also greatly appreciated from my average buy and where I kind of entered Arrow by like 3x at one point, which is crazy. And I'm earning 53% on something I'm holding anyway, extra here. Looks like I'm sitting on another 1,400 extra tokens because I'm also staking them. Now that's like yield on yield on yield. I was in a yield farm that was earning extra. Then I took extra and I staked it. And then I take the earnings from the staking and I lend it yield on yield. And 24% is low. Sometimes it's up to 60, 80, 100%. USD plus and dollar, not much in there because I kind of deployed some stuff on base a few days ago, but still 31%, 18% on USDC. Again, I deployed a bunch of it, especially some for the 10K challenge as well, which check out the 10K challenge video series I did. Let me know if you want me to keep doing that because it's fire. It's a lot of fun to do, and I'm looking forward to getting beyond 10K a month from a portfolio of building from scratch. I hope we're catching the drift here. Aave, I'm lending out. These are stable coins and rewards that I've earned over on Polygon. I'm lending that out. Again, 10%. Might not seem like a lot. 10% over on Arbitrum. What are we doing here? Let me swap to the BNB chain. There we go. On 10K, earning 13.5%. Always having my money moving for me, and then from there I can stack in a bull run, lock it into my ledger, and my Bitcoins and my ETHs and some of my big cap stuff, I do lock that up and I don't risk it to earn the little yield I may earn on it. But the point is, you've always have your money moving for you, and then you can stack it. I really hope that explains the overall strategy. And if you can rinse and repeat this, again, this isn't like an overnight success move here. We've been doing this since the bear market, and I'll keep doing it for the next decade. Like, this is the game I'm playing, full stop, no question asked. DeFi is growing like crazy. Regulations are becoming a little more. I think the way we're moving in the political landscape is also going to be helping DeFi grow at even a quicker pace, and I'm here for the long haul. But Lucas, what about the bear market? I don't care. There's always opportunity. There's always opportunity. In fact, the biggest opportunities are in the bear market because no one else wants to invest. And so you're getting underappreciated assets. You're earning yield on assets that are they're 10 times or less valuable than they should be. I'm here through the greens and the reds. I'm here through the bulls and the bears. You've got to take that approach. At least I believe if you're going to see long-term success in this game, a lot of people are just looking for the next meme coin. They're hoping to get rich and they're getting wrecked. And I'm like, enough is enough of that. Let me know in the comments what landed. What can I expand on more? I don't want to make these videos 6 hours long. Let me know what I can expand on more. If something on this video was like, oh, hey, Lucas, could you talk more on that? Happy to do it, but you got to let me know. That's that. I will leave some videos that go well with this video. I can leave some lending stuff. I can leave some 10K portfolio challenge videos. I can even, we got members doing $20,000 plus per month in DeFi income. I'll leave one example of such in the far corner below. And with that said, I'm going to get on out of here. Appreciate you. Check out some other videos, like, subscribe, all that cool stuff, all that fun stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.